Hi, this is Bozo Wirehead Ham, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start out with the perfect terrible opening screenshot as my intro because it goes along well with my call to hams to post your own videos. You don't have to have intros, you don't have to have music and various forms of introductory entertainment. You can do whatever you want. And that's what I wanted to do. There's a couple things I wanted to mention that I forgot in my other... Why did I pronounce the word forgot like a Seattleite? Let me try that again. That city poisoned me, man. There's a couple things I forgot to mention in my opening Bozo channel metrics video. So what I wanted to show, and it's kind of important, I think, because given that my channel is now 11 months old, which in itself isn't hard to believe. Boy, have I been busy trying to catch up from my leg boo-boo more than anything. But, you know, the 11 months has flown by, and it's shocking that I have 212 subs. I picked up one since yesterday when I did the first video, and that's something I'll touch on too. But first, let's take a look at the videos. And, no, let's take a look at the analytics page, because I want to show the default view is to display the data for the last 28 days, okay? And these are my top videos for the last 28 days in terms of views. And honestly, a couple of them surprised me. This one being one of them. My 6-foot high-end fed, you know, that was the opening shot, right? My concept and intro, you know. Wow. It was well received, you know, and I didn't see that coming. I figured relatively few people would be interested in, you know, what most would consider to be a ridiculous antenna, which I consider to be a real world implementation of a, you know, hastily erected antenna. Anyway, that's one surprise. Here's another. My very first video, over the course of the last 28 days, it came in at number 5. Wow, that's a surprise. But what I wanted to show today though was, let's look at my lifetime views. What are my videos in terms of popularity over the life of this channel? A couple surprises again. And it makes me happy what I see here. I find this to be useful, interesting information. This one here. This one here, man, this is kind of the reason why I wanted to, this is kind of the reason why I started the channel. A couple things really excited me last year. My vertical that I built out of garbage parts, that's a stellar performer, and this multi-tab button. I wanted to share it, and I really, really hoped there would be interest by the ham community. If by what members of the ham community stumbled upon my videos, you know, that makes me very happy. Number one video. My channel's 11 months old. I have 212 subs today, and that video has been viewed 1,562 times. A lot of people are viewing it multiple times. I don't know if that drives the view count up. I don't know if that's unique views or total views. I know that if I personally view my videos, it does not up the count. I can watch them repeatedly. The first view of mine will, but subsequent views do not. This one here, my number 4 all-time popular video with just over 1,000 views. One from the heart, you know. I find these useful as heck for people, in my own opinion. And this is from the heart, man. More useful stuff here. All of it is, in my opinion. But my compromised antennas seem to be a popular theme. This one surprised me, number 7. You know why? Well, the antenna was 2 feet high, so no surprise there, man. I think people would like to see you work the X on a 2 foot high end bed, right? But it was only one contact with one ham, OL 725 PLZ. God, I remember it like it was yesterday. God, that was fun. God, that was fun. And you know, what I hoped would be more useful information. You know, how do I go about setting up and tuning my end feds with my multi-tap ununs? You know what I mean? Testing number 10, with and without a shunt cap, which is a discussed topic in the end fed community, the homebrew end fed community. Anyway, so I wanted to show what my top 10 all-time videos were, in hopes of encouraging you guys to share yours, because man, you got a lot of stuff that I'd love to see, and you got stories and ideas. And let me see a couple other things here. Let's look at this. If you do post, please, man, do understand people are going to be disliking your stuff for a mystery reason. And for the most part, yeah, you better be a little bit thick-skinned. Don't be bothered by comments. Don't be bothered by dislikes. Don't be bothered by people bailing on your channel and unsubbing. You know. That said, the ham community is a kind community. Look at my like to dislike ratios. And this is Bozo channel video that I'm producing here. And producing is a stretch of the word. I'm producing garbage. You know, but look. But sometimes there'll come a video like this one. I thought this would be useful and popular and well received. You know, it works on the FTDX 1200 and the 3K. Probably works on the 5000 too. It got a lot of radios. What does this do for you? If you adjust your equalizer settings correctly after enabling that, man, you'll have you'll have really nice audio. You'll get good audio reports from people wondering what your mic is, and then you tell them you're running the stock MH31 Yaesu hand mic. And I posted that and immediately got a dislike. Right? And even as of today, man, I got more than one dislike on that video, and I think it's a grin. I don't care in the least. I wonder why, but I don't wonder why enough. I don't wonder enough to care to ask. Who cares? This video here, my maritime mobile straight up silliness with a little bit of sincerity in the heart. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna do it, man. But I expected to be lambasted for that one. And yeah, I got what I deserved. And this is a mystery one, man. This one confounded me. Quite frankly, it stunned me. I did an expose, and I was straight up. This is what I find. Do you need to ground your end fed? Yay or nay? Well, and I was sincere. I don't know. Well, I don't know. All I can do is tell you whether I do or not in my particular setup, and I gave an exhaustive look at my station rig and any ground points, and it is what it is, man. It is what it is, right? It only ran 8 minutes, so the length of the video was right. That's getting in the sweet spot, and immediately copped me a dislike for it, man. Immediately copped a dislike, and not only that, whoever disliked it then bailed on my channel and unsubbed. That's how disliked that honest experiment was. You know? It's awesome, man. I love it. That was awesome. You don't like my crap? Cool. Neither do I. But I'm not going to thumbs down my own videos, man. Straight up. And you know what? Full disclosure. When I publish a video, I'm not going to be the first bozo to give it a like. But you know I'm gonna. You know I'm gonna. You think I'm not? You think I'm not going to post a video and give it a like? To not is to... It is what it is. It's fun. That's what it is. So let's see. Have a thick skin. You're going to get likes and dislikes. You're going to get subs and unsubs for no apparent reason. And the number of subscribers now, it's going to come and go, right? It's going to come and go. It bobbles up and down, you know. But hopefully the general trend is an upward one. It really can't go... Well, I guess it could go down from 1 to 0 if you unsub from your own channel. Yeah, that'd be fun. When it comes time to take my channel down, I think I'll start removing the vids, starting with the first. And when the last one disappears, I'll unsubscribe to my own channel. So that's what I wanted to show today. What am I going to do now? Oh, I don't know. I thought of carrying forth with my Heathkit vintage novice and general station from 1970 videos, right? I thought of carrying forth with those, but we can see the the response by the community at large. So I don't know. I might not. I thought of doing a video on KiCad or KiCad, an open source printed circuit board EDA. I thought about an introductory to KiCad, how to lay out a printed circuit board for RF. Okay, there's lots of stuff out there, introductories, how to start with KiCad or KiCad. But what about when you're going to lay out a board for RF? What are you going to do, man? Do you know how to lay out a board? The general, the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts of laying out a transceiver PCB? I do. And I thought about a talk about that. PCB layout for RF. Yeah, I'm sure the response to that would probably stun me. I might get 2 or 3 views, so I probably won't. I like designing superhet transceivers. I thought about doing a video called Superhet Design for SHTF. Thoughts and ideas on engineering a superhet transceiver that's hardened for field use, using mil-spec components, using environmentally sealed switches and pots, shielding the unit to external emission of spurious signals, etc. Yeah, and I mentioned that actually in a comment to another Ham's in another channel, and I don't know if he's still in my subscriber list or not, but we won't go there, okay? And I was attacked. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't produce that transceiver. That's illegal. If that transceiver can operate out of band, that's illegal, and you should be shut down. I will mention his channel. Oh, what is his channel called? Oh boy, oh boy. White guy, husky, has a beard, has glasses, silver framed glasses, I think, mustache. It looks like he looks like Burl Ives from the Christmas cartoon Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. He attacked me, man. Why? Because I wanted to teach people how to design a hardened superhet transceiver that'll operate anywhere you want it to. I don't care what. I'm not your babysitter. Anyway, yeah, so I guess I'll put the kibosh to that. Anyway, you know what, man? Thanks for watching my dribble. And hopefully something I said will inspire somebody to produce your own bozo content. It's fun. It really is. Okay, so I showed you how to produce an awful intro. Let's slide back out. Thanks for watching. I hope you're well. I hope to meet you on the air. 73.